good. Yeah.
This way?
That's all right.
Great.
It's the opposite.
I love it.
Enough light? All right. Good.
Okay.
It's all turned around.
Okay. I'll just run through the beginning really quickly.
Okay.
So it's a beautiful, beautiful day, the first of the year. You want to get outside. The wind is blowing, but it's gentle. Gentle breeze is blowing. You can hear birds. Small birds, large birds. So you decide to put on your leather jacket and go out. You zip up your jacket. Zip it up. And you decide it's a good day to go on the motorboat, so you fire up the motorboat. Doesn't start right away, but then it gets going, and you're going off across the lake where you live, and it's choppy on the lake because of the breeze. But you're still making good progress. You can hear seagulls on the breeze. They've got a little bronchitis, but they're fine. And then you notice something strange off the port bow. It's a whale. There's a whale coming up and spouting and singing. Beautiful, beautiful whale song. And you get so distracted by the whale and the waves, the chopping, you're still on the motorboat. You can still hear that motorboat going. You can still hear it. And then you get distracted and you crash on the shore right on the beach. Oh. So you get into your old car, which is parked there, and you start up your old car.
Sounds like the motorboat.
Yeah. And there it goes. And you're driving along through the little town by the lake. Whoa, there's a truck up ahead, so you hear this huge klaxon horn, and you swerve to avoid it, and you crash through a fence. Oh, that also is painful. And then, you've crashed through a barn. There's chickens in the barn. And the cows move out of the way. And there's also a moose in there. I'll do it. You're crashing through the farm, and all the animals are making sounds all at once. There's a horse. Gets up on his haunches there, and then you decide to park your car, and you walk into the house, the farmhouse, and you go into the kitchen where you can hear. First you smell the smell, you sniff it. It's an amazing smell of something cooking, and then you can hear that there's something on the boil on the stove, some soup maybe, or oatmeal.
It's our private joke. It won't happen tomorrow night.
There's something on the boil. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good, and there's a farm woman who says hello to you.
Hello.
But you're looking outside, you're having a wonderful time, having tea and talking to this old farm woman, having a little bit of soup, slurping your soup. It's enjoyable, you're having a wonderful time, looking outside, the birds, the different kinds of birds are tweeting on the branches outside. Strange, exotic birds. And then you notice it's starting to rain outside. You can hear it, and the thunder is rolling in. So you get back in your car because you got to get home in all this rain. The car now runs on soup. But the car is it's just too hard to drive in the car, so you decide to get in your plane. You get the plane going, you turn the propeller of the plane, and you take off into the sky. And they're driving along, flying along in the sky, above the clouds, above the rain. But there you see a pterodactyl. So you get out your machine gun. You take care of that pterodactyl. And I can't read this. Oh, that was great. And then you land your plane because the skies suddenly clear up. And you're so relaxed, you breathe a big sigh of relief. It is a wonderful New Year's Day. Nancy Cartwright.